Then I awake and look around me at 4 grey walls that surround me. And I realise that I'm at 57 Kingsland Terrace. Good morning from Pontypridd. Can you guess the celebrity that we're hunting down this morning? If I told you 57 Kingsland Terrace, that might give you an idea. If I also tell you we're not far from Laura Street, that might help. Come inside. 57 Kingsland Terrace it is. This, would you believe, is the very home where Tom Jones was born. Yes, he first wiggled his hips inside the nappy in this very home. And it's now owned by this lady, Pauline. Good morning, Pauline.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for letting us into the home, first of all.
You're welcome.
Look what's on the telly, Rob. You're not watching this. Switch this off, for goodness sake. It's the last thing you want to see on a Sunday morning. When did you get the house?
About 27 years ago. We've been living here ever since.
So Tom was well gone then. Are there any traces of him left? I mean, do you ever feel as you're walking around the home that you want to perhaps just twitch the hips a little?
No, there's not much left. We've done an awful lot of alterations here and renovations. And you could remember some...
What was it, the wall out the back? You could recognise the yard and everything?
Yes, you could remember going over the back wall into the house next door.
Because he has visited, hasn't he?
Yes, he has visited here, and he came to see us, and he said that he could remember his blind uncle living here, and he could remember several things about the place. He could remember sleeping in the middle bedroom upstairs.
Now, what about Tom himself? Let's get your daughter. Wendy, come up here. She doesn't want to be on the telly, but come on, Wendy, come up here. Now, this is Wendy, Pauline's daughter.
Hello.
Now, Tom came into the house. Now, what did he look like? Was he as tall as you thought he'd be?
Yes.
He was. He's a big man, is he?
Everybody looks tall to me.
Oh, yes. Now, what about the suntan? Because I think it's a sunbed myself.
Well, yes, it did look debatable.
Did it? It did look... What about you, Pauline? What did you think?
Yes, I thought
real
it looked
or
very
sunbed?
nice. Yeah, well, I thought it looked real, but it was
So you
very
think it's a
nice
real
looking.
tan, and your daughter thinks it's a sunbed. I think we should try and get this settled here. I think I'm going to go for a sunbed, because I don't think he's got the
It was a
time.
deep tan, and his hair looked very nice.
His hair looked nice, did it? He
Yeah.
dyes it, you know. Anyway, let's go through now and meet a lady. Thank you very much, both of you. Let's meet her. Watch the wall, Rob. That's the wall you bumped into there. Let's meet her, and again, let's meet a lady who remembers the actual moment that Tom was born, and that's the door. It's a good thing we rehearse. This is the room where Tom was born, and this lady, Nora. Good morning, Nora.
Morning.
Now, you remember when Tom Jones entered this world, don't you?
Well, I
A long time ago.
the time his mother was ill and his grandmother came to number 54 Kingsland Terrace to Mrs. Morgan, Ellen Morgan. She had a half a crown. She wanted some coppers because you put pennies in the gas. And, of course, with a baby arriving, you want plenty of hot water.
Oh, you do, certainly for Tom, because he sweats a lot and he needs to be mopping himself down. Thank you very much indeed, Nora. Of course, Tom doesn't need to search for pennies for the metre anymore. He's now gone on to become a big star. And we're not going to stop here. We're going to continue in our search for Tom Jones, scouring the Pontypridd. I'm now going to go, thrusting my hips as I go. Come on, Rob, get the hips thrusting. Please, the hips, Rob, the hips. Oh, I can't stop it. I can't stop. I'm going.